In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Shopify currency. Navigating and managing an online store can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to setting up your store for a global audience. One of the first steps to internationalizing your store is to ensure that your customers can view prices in their local currency. Let's dive into how you can change the currency settings on your Shopify store. First things first, you will need to log into your Shopify account. Head over to Shopify's main website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. This is the gateway to accessing your dashboard where all the magic happens. Now, on the login page, you'll notice it asks for some information to let you in. You're going to type in your email address here. This should be the email address you used when you signed up for Shopify. Once you've filled that out, look for the Continue with Email button and click on it. This choice is crucial for verifying it's really you who's trying to log in. Next, you might find yourself facing a decision, choosing which account to continue with. This step is relevant if you have multiple Google accounts, or if Shopify offers you to log in via Google. Select the account you want to use, ideally the one linked with your Shopify store. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of your Shopify store. Here you can see an overview of your store's activities at a glance. But our focus today is on changing the currency, so we'll move on to the settings. Look for the settings option, which you'll usually find at the bottom left of the dashboard. This section is where you can manage everything from your store's details to payments and shipping. For changing the currency, you'll need to access the general settings of your store. In the general settings, you're going to find a lot of options related to your store's basic information. Scroll until you find the store currency setting. You might have set this up initially when you first created your store, but don't worry, it's not set in stone. You'll see a Change Store Currency button beside your current currency. Shopify needs you to confirm that you really intend to change your store's currency, as it can have implications on your pricing and reporting. So once you click this button, you'll be shown a drop-down list of available currencies. Now here comes the important part. You need to select the new currency you wish your store to transact in. Shopify supports a wide array of currencies, enabling you to cater to customers globally. Scroll through the list and pick the currency that suits your target audience or business strategy the best. Whether it's euros, US dollars, or any other currency, select it and then save your changes. Once you've made your selection, Shopify will update your store's currency. This change will affect how prices are displayed on your store, ensuring that your customers can view and pay for products in their preferred currency. A word of caution though, changing your store's currency can have implications on your pricing and possibly your accounting and reporting. It's best to make this change at a time when you're ready to adjust your prices, or if you're just setting up your store. If you're unsure about making this change, consulting with a financial advisor or Shopify's help center can provide more personalized guidance. And just like that, you've changed the currency on your Shopify store. It's a simple yet impactful change that can greatly enhance your store's accessibility to international customers. Remember, the key to a successful online store is making shopping as seamless and comfortable as possible for your customers, no matter where they are in the world. By following these steps, you ensure your store is more inviting to a global market, potentially increasing your sales and customer base. Keep exploring Shopify's features and settings to continuously improve your online store. Happy selling!